Alright, we're back. So now we're going to be putting on the 800 grit sanding paper. Sanding disc, I should say. And put that guy on there and see how nice and frosty that looks. So that's what they're asking to do, and to make sure that all the yellowing comes off, all the dust. Like, so when we're still with the 500 disc, that the yellowing just starts to fade away, and then you start getting more of a white sand coming out. So that's because, remember, the way it looks, took the yellowing out. Aftermath looks like this. Awesome. Alright, so now we're going to be doing the same thing. Doing the sanding up and down. And this is a finer grit, so you just keep coming up and down. And then pretty much you start getting the hang of it. And do a few passes with this guy here. And then we'll get back to it after again. And then I'll show you guys the 3000 grit and what that does. And then the other one, you have to use the water. Okay? We'll be back.